Hi, this is Mike. Welcome to Refab. I am affiliated with Amazon. If I use a part purchased from Amazon, I will include a link in the description. If you use a link and purchase anything, I will get a small kickback, which helps support this channel. If I use any Amazon items, I will flash a notice like this. Okay, it runs and drives now. See from my test ride there, so I forgot the camera. It don't steer for shit. But with the two big wheels pushing and the one skinny wheel steering, it's not a surprise. For sleeve, I'm going to roll these sheet metal strips. I'm having a hard time finding plastic that's big enough to go over them tires. Yeah, putting that flange in there makes it a lot easier to weld. A lot stronger in a butt weld and easier. Alright, I got the sheet metal sleeves on it. I couldn't weld as good as I wanted to there with my flux core wire. Yeah, so I'm going to try it out to see if it's going to drift there, but I'm not going to run it with those. I don't need to be slapped upside the head with a piece of sheet metal coming loose for testing purposes only. Well, that's as far as I'm going to go with it for now. I got too much traction in the back and not enough traction in the front. If it needs some smaller tires with the plastic sleeves, But it's not in the budget for right now, so this project's on hold. See about turning it into a stubby go-kart here with 4 wheels. That would help the traction in the front. If I done the blacktop would probably help some too, but the blacktop by my house is in between 2 corners. I don't want to get run over.